Good morning, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and in today's video this is my Business Mondays, and I will be planning in my Happy Planner, which is the big size, and my Spin Well Planner, which is a classic size. And I'm using stickers that I already have. I'm using all the things. I haven't purchased anything new as of yet. And I'm also going to be dropping my new planner covers, and I'm super excited about it. I hope you will be too. They're a little different. They're out of the norm. They're not your typical covers. If you're looking for something new and different, please stay tuned for that. And let's get into this video. In this spread, I like to keep my in general spreads very simple, and I like to have a lot of space for functionality. So I use a lot of checklists and have a lot of white space so that I can write all the things down that I need to do during the week. And as you can see, this has greens and blues and pinks in it, which I enjoyed, with touches of gold in this spread. A few stickers, but I think very impactful. I found this wonderful daylight savings time sticker, and I think the package came from Amazon. I'm not sure. If I can find the link for this particular sticker book that I used, I will do so in the description box. Again, I like things simple, not too fussy. There's on occasion I like to go over the top with the stickers, but in this particular one I needed a lot of space because I had a lot of things going on this particular week. So I appreciate you guys watching this video and seeing my thought process behind what I've done and on this spread, and I thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notifications bell, like my videos, and comment and share. It helps me out greatly, and I'll see you in the next My Business Mondays video. Have a great one.